Between lakes, green areas, and the city skyline in the background lies Barigui Park, one of Curitiba's most beloved outdoor spaces in the state of Paraná, Brazil. Opened in 1972, the park covers approximately 1.4 million square meters, making it one of the largest and most traditional urban parks in the city. With wide lawns and trails surrounding the lake, the park invites visitors to walk, cycle, practice sports, or simply relax outdoors. Barigui Lake, created by damming the river of the same name, also plays an important role in urban drainage. It works as a flood control basin that helps protect lower areas of the city during periods of heavy rain. Here, nature and the city exist in balance. Families, cyclists, runners, and groups of friends enjoy the park throughout the day. The area also hosts major fairs and events at the Positivo Event Center, an important convention venue that reinforces the park's role in business tourism and large-scale events. Next to the park is Park Shopping Barigui, one of Curitiba's main shopping centers, offering dining, shopping, and entertainment. The park is also home to Parque da Cidade, a small amusement park featuring a Ferris wheel and family rides, offering fun for visitors of all ages. At sunset, the scenery becomes even more special as golden light reflects on the water and the city skyline comes to life. Barigui Park in Curitiba, Paraná, Brazil. Nature, leisure, and urban life in harmony.